that he sued in the UK. Let's bring in former federal prosecutor Shan Wu for all of these legal threads. So, Shan, Trump just talked about this $91 million that he's got to pay. He didn't mention E. Jean Carroll's name, but this is what he said. Let's take a listen.
I just posted a $91 million bond, $91 million, on a fake story, totally made up story. Think of it, $91 million. I could say things about what it would cost normally. $91 million. Based on false accusations made about me by a woman that I knew nothing about, didn't know, never heard of. I know nothing about her. She wrote a book, she said things. And when I denied it, I said, it's so crazy, it's false. I got sued for defamation.
So, Shan, calling it a fake, made-up story that he knew nothing about this woman, he calls it so crazy. How does this open him up to more legal issues?
Yeah, he's the gift that keeps on giving to E. Jean Carroll and her attorneys. I mean, that's basically the whole kit and caboodle all over again. He continues to say it's false. He says it's made up, and that certainly opens him up to that. I mean, it's a legal strategic decision if they want to do another defamation suit. But on the face of it, even though he doesn't name her, it's obvious, I mean, incredibly obvious. That's the amount of money, and those are the allegations. So it seems clear he's continuing to claim that it's false.
So he was already found liable. He's already been told to pay more than $90 million. He's posted that bond. So you're saying that Carroll and her legal team could bring a new case based on what he's just said?
Oh, I think so, yeah. I mean, that's up to them. They're the experts on it. But based just on listening to what he's saying, he is again saying that her allegations are crazy, that they're false, and he doesn't even know her.
So is there a chance, now that he's posted this bond, that she will indeed see that money? I mean, he is appealing.
The bond is meant to ensure that if, as soon as he loses the appeal, which I think he will, that money is right away made available. So that certainly is a big step towards that. Otherwise, he'd have to put it up himself, and that's obviously impossible for him at the moment with these financial crunches he's undergoing.
All right, remarkable that he would risk doing that so soon after this case. Right. Shan Wu, thanks very much. Appreciate it. And coming up, the truth is out there.